It is now more common to see the Bitcoin dollar value drop when stocks fall, confirming investor worries of how Federal Reserve interest rate increases will affect other markets. Clara Medley, research director at cryptocurrency market data provider Kaiko, spoke on how cryptocurrencies are no longer an isolated risk asset. Cryptocurrencies are no longer an isolated risk asset and are responding to changes in global policy, said Medley. It's not surprising that both will start to become more volatile as the liquidity taps turn off. Bitcoin's dollar value decline on Friday coincided with a 20% fall in Netflix's shares, erasing over $40 billion of market capitalization after the streaming giant announced it expects to add significantly less subscribers this quarter than 1 year prior. Perhaps the biggest reason for the decrease, however, can be attributed to Russia's plans of banning mining the coin, as explained by Jason Dean, an analyst at digital asset research firm Quantum Economics. Rumors of Russian mining bans, the effects of tapering programs and ongoing regulatory concerns in certain jurisdictions are currently taking more weight in trading and investment decisions than the underlying long-term fundamentals, said Dean. At the same time, increased use and adoption of Bitcoin in high-inflation economies creates a confusing market picture leading to lack of decisive direction and momentum either way. Compare on Facebook, compare with Twitter, compare with WhatsApp, envy with email. Blockchain meaning. What exactly is blockchain currency? Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency with the world's largest market value, fell below $40,000 on Friday to its lowest level since August 2021, according to CoinDesk. The coin was down as much as 8.7% before regaining some ground and trading at $38,616.17, down 6.7% late Thursday and more than 40% from its record high in November 2021. The drop came after the stock market sell-off that saw Wall Street stocks fell